battery chargers have evolved to smart, microprocessor-controlled battery maintainers that are able to detect weak batteries and, to an extent, repair dead batteries. They also alert the operator about dangerous crossed battery cables and keep the battery ready to go through months of idleness. These maintainer units have always been popular with car collectors, whose dirty little secret is that they don't drive their automotive gems all that often, and especially not in the winter. Traditional trickle chargers are not intelligent. They can only provide a continuous charge. Microprocessors are used in current maintainers. They will switch on and off to prevent overcharging. Connect it and set it aside for a day, a week, or the full season. Where there was previously a simple green light to indicate that a battery was charged, there are now many sensors and functions, as well as LED monitors. In this video, I'll be showing you some of the best battery chargers on the market. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tech contents. The Schumacher SC1308 is a completely automated battery charger, an engine starter intended for use with cars, SUVs, and compact trucks. This device delivers whenever it is needed, with a 100 amp engine start and a 30 amp boost mode. The amperage rate to charge and sustain is automatically adjusted by a microprocessor, with multi-stage charging for improved precision, safety, and battery life. The digital display with LED indications shows charge levels and assists in the diagnosis of electrical faults. Included is float mode monitoring to maintain optimal battery charge automatically, as well as reverse hookup prevention with an LED light warning that prevents the charger from running if the clamps are reversed. Schumacher Energy satisfies the most stringent industry requirements. The CTEK Multi-US 7002 Smart Battery Charger, Maintainer, and Power Supply is ideal for bigger vehicles such as automobiles and trucks. It performs well in all types of weather and temperatures, and it is both safe and simple to use. The Multi-US 7002 has been precisely built so that it will never overcharge or undercharge your vehicle's sensitive components. It contains a proprietary desulfation function, a reconned reconditioning mode that recovers severely drained batteries, and a convenient 12-volt supply mode to safeguard vehicle data settings if the battery needs to be removed. Unused batteries lose power and might have their lives cut short due to sulfation. The Multi-US 7002 examines the battery's condition and, if feasible, restores the battery and its health. The clamps on the Multi-US 7002 are non-sparking and reverse polarity protected. It is short-circuit proof, with clean voltage and current delivery to prevent surges and spikes. The KONNWEI KW510 is a professional 3-in-1 battery tester, charger, maintainer, trickle charger, and desulfator. This device's huge color LCD display and button-operated features make it incredibly simple to use. The KW510 12-volt analyzes the entire health of the battery by measuring its voltage, charge, and internal resistance, and then tells you if the battery needs to be recharged. This battery tester also performs a cranking and charging system test, as well as a car alternator test. With a maximum output of 12 volt, it can charge batteries as low as 2 volts. The KW510 not only charges the batteries, but it also uses the most recent pulse repair technology, one-click repair, and automatically identifies battery sulfation and acid stratification to bring them back to life and restore their performance. The Genius 10 is a high-capacity, high-performance, energy-efficient, and compact charger. It functions as a 6-volt and 12-volt battery charger, as well as a battery maintainer, trickle charger, and battery desulfator. This device has a 10-amp rating for all lead-acid and lithium-ion batteries, including flooded, gel, and AM batteries, as well as marine and deep-cycle batteries. Its built-in thermal sensor measures the ambient temperature and adjusts the charge to avoid overcharging in hot areas and undercharging in cold climates. It charges batteries as low as 1 volt, or you can use the all-new force mode to take control and manually begin charging dead batteries as low as 0 volts. Furthermore, it monitors battery sulfation and acid stratification automatically to recover lost battery performance for better engine starts and longer battery life. The Genius Pro 50 is a fully automated professional battery charger for lead-acid automotive, marine, and deep-cycle batteries rated at 6-volt, 12-volt, and 24-volt. It's an outstanding battery charger with such a high degree of performance and functionality that allows experts to push the limits at remarkable charging speeds. The Genius Pro50 is intended for professionals that want maximum performance and uncompromised functionality. It has ultra-flexible silicone cabling that can withstand temperatures as low as -40 degrees Celsius, as well as protective nylon breaded shielding for optimum abrasion resistance. Its dual-voltage power supply helps to provide consistent power delivery without undesirable ripple, noise, or transient spikes during ECU flashing, reprogramming, and diagnostic testing. It has an embedded thermal sensor that monitors the ambient temperature and adjusts the charge to avoid overcharging in hot areas and undercharging in cold climates, maximizing battery life and enabling quick charging. It detects battery sulfation and acid stratification automatically to recover lost battery performance for faster engine starts and longer battery life. TowerTop battery charger detects and charges batteries as low as 1 volt, which makes it ideal for dead 12-volt lead-acid batteries. Its fully automatic features, manual selections, and prior setting memory function make charging automotive battery more convenient and high efficient. Its engine start aid function assists in activating a car battery that has inadequate power to start a vehicle in less than 100 seconds. In low temperature settings, the automobile battery charger improves battery performance and charges more fully. The smart battery charger auto detects and repairs severely sulfated battery terminals and reconditioned battery to rehabilitate the lost performance. Auto stop when fully charged, auto awake and pulse compensate after voltage drops allow a long time connection, with charging fuller and battery more durable. Intuitive language, vibrant symbols, and switchable interfaces provide a real-time and visual way of tracking battery condition, charging modes, charging stages, and troubleshooting. The SC1400 fully automated device from Schumacher's wheel charger range has a 60-amp boost mode for swiftly recharging completely drained batteries and a 200 and 300-amp engine start for trucks, SUVs, and other larger vehicle batteries. This charger has a heavy-duty transformer, LED indicators, and color-coded clamps with a 6-foot power cord and output cables for a total reach of 12 foot. This microprocessor-controlled charger has multi-stage charging, auto voltage detection, automated amperage adjustment, and reverse hookup safety. For simple travel and storage, it has a heavy-duty casing, retractable handle, and huge, all-terrain wheels. SchuEco Energy satisfies the most stringent industry requirements. Standard and AM batteries are both compatible.